South Shore Bar Cabinet with Bottle and Glass Storage. After considering a large number of options that are currently available on the market in terms of liquor cabinets that provide the ideal solution for storing wine, vodka, and other types of liquor that need to be stored at room temperature, we found the South Shore Bar Cabinet with Bottle and Glass to be the absolute best liquor cabinet. This cabinet comes with all the features that you need to store a wide variety of liquors and alcoholic beverages, along with additional storage space for items like glasses. The top side of the cabinet is flat and convenient for placing your glasses while you're pouring a drink, and provides adequate space for adding decorative pieces, thus ensuring the cabinet can blend in with its surroundings. The South Shore Bar Cabinet features a modern design that can hold 6 wine bottles as well as 12 bottles of your favorite liquor. There's enough space to store about 8 glasses, and additional storage space allows you to store more items, including a side rack for a towel. The particle board used in the construction of the cabinet is non-toxic and eco-friendly.